Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Spotify. And this video is going to be the complete beginner's guide, so stick till the end. First, open Google the Play Store and search for Spotify. Spotify is a free music player app where you can find all of your favorite artists. So download this app and open it right now. When you open the app for the first time, you have to create an account. You can easily create an account with your Google account. So I'll just quickly create an account. Now you have to choose at least 3 artists you want to follow. You can choose more artists if you want to. When you are done, tap Done at the bottom of the screen. This is the home screen of this app. Now if you keep scrolling down, you will see all the albums. Now tap on an album to play. If you tap on the play button, the album will start playing. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see a music is being played. If you change the page, the music will still keep playing. Even if you close the app, you can easily pause the song and add to your liked songs. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the search bar and search for your favorite artist. You can follow your favorite artist by tapping on the follow button on top right corner. And if you scroll down, you will see all of their discography. Now tap on an album and then tap on play and the album will start playing. You can add the album to your library by tapping on the heart icon on top right corner. Now tap on your library at the bottom of the screen. From here you can see all of your liked songs. You can also add more whenever you want. You can also create a playlist. Tap on Create Playlist, enter your playlist name, and then tap Create. Now tap on Add Songs. Now tap on the plus icon of the songs you want to add to your playlist. I'll just quickly add a few songs. When you are done, you can go back by tapping on the arrow icon on top left corner. And your playlist is now created. Now tap on Artist and you will see all of the artists you are following. And if you tap on Albums, you will see the albums you have added to your library. Now tap on Premium from bottom right corner and you can buy Premium from here. You can also check out all of the Premium packages. Now go back to home screen. Then tap on the settings icon on top right corner. You can also go to Premium. Tap on your username to view your profile. If you want to edit your profile, then tap on Edit Profile. And you will be able to change your username and change your photo. If you tap on three dots on top right corner, you will be able to find friends and share your profile with your friends. Now if you scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you will see logout option. And that's the beginner's guide to Spotify. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.